you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights and an alone conversation with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to wide-eyed staring at space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for the way out, no I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits leads to you. My bad habits leads to you. My bad habits leads to you. Every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over everything to reach the first time spark. It started under neon lights and then it all got dark. I only know how to go too far. My bad habits lead to late nights and an alone conversation with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to wide-eyed staring at space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits leads to you. My bad habits leads to you. My bad habits leads to me to go away now and burn till the fun run out. Now bad habits lead to late nights and an alone conversation